Why does rain fall from the sky? One rainy afternoon, Max looked up at the cloudy sky, curious about where the rain came from.
Luna, why does rain fall from the sky?
Luna smiled and decided to explain how the water cycle works.
Let me tell you about the water cycle, Max.
Luna explained how water from rivers, lakes, and oceans rises into the sky.
When the sun heats up the water, it turns into vapor and rises into the sky.
Max watched as the vapor gathered in the sky to form clouds.
So, the water becomes clouds?
Yes. When the vapor cools down, it turns into clouds.
Luna pointed out how the clouds gather more water as they float in the sky.
As the clouds grow bigger, they fill up with more and more water.
Max wondered what happens when the clouds get too full.
What happens when the clouds have too much water?
When the clouds get too heavy, the water falls back to the ground as rain.
Max watched the rainfall and realized it was part of the water's journey.
Wow! So, rain is just the water coming back to Earth?
Exactly. It's all part of the water cycle.
Luna explained how important rain is for all living things on Earth.
Rain helps plants grow, giving them the water they need.
Max began to understand how rain is part of the water's never-ending journey.
So the water goes on a journey from the ground to the sky and back again.
Luna smiled, happy that Max now understood the magic of the water cycle.
Yes, Max. The water never stops traveling, and rain is an important part of that journey.